Are you a content creator struggling to come up with new ideas for your YouTube channel? Do you want to engage with your audience and make some serious money on the platform? Look no further than ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can help you generate ideas for your videos, write engaging descriptions, and even help you script your content. With its help, you can create videos that your audience will love and that will attract more views and ad revenue. So how can you use ChatGPT to earn money on YouTube? Let's break it down. First, use ChatGPT to generate ideas for your videos. Simply type in a keyword related to your channel's niche and let ChatGPT work its magic. It will provide you with a variety of ideas that you can use to create engaging content that your viewers will love. Next, use ChatGPT to write compelling titles and descriptions for your videos. This will help your content stand out in search results and attract more views. With more views come more ad revenue, so make sure to put some thought into your titles and descriptions. Once you've created your videos, use ChatGPT to engage with your audience. You can use it to respond to comments and create engaging discussions. This will help you build a loyal following and keep your viewers coming back for more. Finally, focus on creating engaging videos that will attract viewers and generate ad revenue. With ChatGPT's help, you can create content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. This will help you earn more money on YouTube and turn your passion into a sustainable income stream. So what are you waiting for? Try ChatGPT today and take your YouTube channel to the next level. With its help, you can create better content, engage with your audience, and earn more money on YouTube. Good luck!